हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल फिजिक्स प्लस। आज हम यूनिट फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स के चैप्टर इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल में गॉस थ्योरम के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द स्टेटमेंट एंड प्रूफ ऑफ द गॉस थ्योरम। ओके, अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो इसे लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने बेल इंडिकेशन को हिट करना न भूलें। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। According to this Gauss theorem, the total electric flux passing over any closed surface, that is phi suffix में E for the electric field, is 1 upon epsilon naught times the charge enclosed by the closed surface. Suppose here is a closed surface, suppose area A, encloses a charge Q inside it. So the Gauss theorem is the total electric flux passing through the Gauss theorem या passing through the closed surface is 1 upon epsilon naught times the charge enclosed by that surface. This phi may be written as integration for closed surface E dot dA. Okay, this is the statement of Gauss theorem. Okay, now proof. Let us consider a circle or a spherical surface of radius small r having charge Q. To find the electric flux through the whole surface, consider a small area element dA on the surface of the sphere. The area vector dA vector in this direction, and due to the symmetry the electric field will also in this direction because the charge Q is uniformly distributed over the surface, suppose you may say. Okay, now for this we have to find the electric flux passing through the closed surface. So E dot dA, suppose this is d phi, a small electric flux passing through this small area element will be E dA cos theta dot product. So cos theta will be here, and theta is the angle between E and dA. Here E and dA are both in the same direction, so the angle between them will be 0. So here it is cos. So d phi will be equal to E dA. Hence the total electric flux passing through the whole surface, integration for closed surface E dot dA, or you may say total electric flux will be equal to integration E dA, or you may say E integration for closed surface dA. Is it clear? Now what is dA? It is the dA, small area, integration for closed surface of dA, the total surface area of this spherical surface, and that will be equal to E into 4 pi r square. Okay, but the electric field at, suppose here is the point P, electric field at point P due to this plus Q charge E 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square. So equation first becomes phi E is equal to, put the value of E in the equation first, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square into 4 pi R square. 4 pi R square. So phi E is equal to Q upon epsilon naught. Proved. It is the proof of the Gauss theorem. Is it clear?